All right, let's in fact cut across to Mamata Banerjee at this point in time, who is addressing the media.
And I am going to Delhi today because day after tomorrow I have the appointment with Prime Minister regarding BSF issue and other development issue of Bengal. But when I am going to Delhi today, and I came to know that our MPs are sitting there in front of Home Minister's office on protest of Tripura atrocities. They are asking appointment from yesterday evening, but they are not getting any appointment. I do not know why the horror is going on in Tripura. So they are sitting there. Even till now, no appointment is there because just now I talked to Kullan and Dilip. Then from airport, I will go to meet my MPs. I am not going to join the dharna, but I am going to meet my MPs because they are sitting from the morning. And yesterday night they rushed immediately because of these atrocities. So I will go there to express my solidarity to my MPs. And what MPs are raising their voice against of the atrocities of Tripura, it is not only the Trinamool Congress. No media is allowed. No individual person is allowed. What is going on in UP, Tripura, same thing is going on. Tripura, UP, Assam, and so many places. This is very unfortunate things. So I'll meet them and then I will decide later the action, whatever party will take the action. And today also Abhishek and other people, they are there. I think Shawnee, Kunal, Orpita, Bratto, Abhishek, all are there. So they are doing the meeting today, I think the last campaigning, and that's why they are doing all these atrocities. If the government doesn't allow to hold the meeting, even the political party, then what will be the fate of the election, I do not know, but people will give the reply. They have to get the reply. They have to hear the voice of the people. That music is coming. And that is the democratic music. And this is my program, I told you.
Ma'am, Supreme Court had directed Tripura government to ensure physical safety and security to all the opposition leaders. We have seen spate of violence and leaders have been attacked, journalists have been attacked.
I'm really sorry, it is the most unfortunate things. Whenever Supreme Court gives any verdict or a court, we always respect that verdict because justice is the pillar of the democracy. But this is the government, they are not listening. Even the Supreme Court judgment, their instruction, their guidelines, we appealed. I think our party also appealed for that. It is a contempt of court, I think contempt, it will be contempt. The Chief Minister himself is defying the Supreme Court verdict, and the administration and the BJP people. They have to reply to the people. And I will appeal the higher judiciary that when their direction, their judgment is defined by a political party or a government, they must act as per law. থানায় বসেও হামলা করা হয়েছে। থানায় যখন বসেছিল পুলিশের সামনে থানায় গিয়ে বটি কাটারি নিয়ে হামলা করা হয়েছে, আমাকে শাওনি নিজে বলেছে, আমি কালকে ফোন করেছিলাম।
Ma'am, NHRC has stayed quiet so far. NHRC has stayed quiet.
দেখুন, ভোট ওরা যে এটাই হচ্ছে, বিজেপি রাজ্যে ভোট হয় না, ওরা বিজেপি ভোটের নামে ঘোট করে। তারা ভয় পাচ্ছে বলেই তো এটা করছে, পাবলিককে বিশ্বাস করতে পারছে না। আমাদের এখানে তো এত নেতা এসছে, ঘুরে গেছে, 365 দিনে এক একটা করে নেতা এসছে, 100টা করে 1000টা করে, কই আমরা তো কাউকে বাধা দিইনি। নাড্ডার ল্যাজে, মানে মিছিলের কনভয়ের ল্যাজে কোথায় কি একটা গুন্ডা কি করেছিল, তাই নিয়ে হিউম্যান রাইট 356 ধারা করতে গিয়ে 355 কত কি ইউজ করেছিল হোম মিনিস্ট্রি। আজকে ওয়্যার ইজ দ্য ন্যাশনাল হিউম্যান রাইটস কমিশন or the other human rights commission or the human rights or the home ministry or the 355? How many notices has been sent by the government of India to Tripura? They don't care the people, they don't care the constitution. Their only obligation to cheat the people.
Will you
So
also,
the people will, so they will be defeated ultimately.
will you also take up this matter with the Prime Minister when you get to meet
When
him?
I will meet the Prime Minister, I have a BSF issue. That's a big issue. They want to capture the power. They want to bulldoze the federal structure. They want to bulldoze in the name of cooperative federalism. They want to finish all this. This is my priority, and of course I will raise the other atrocities issue also.
The Tripura issue will...
Tripura will raise it. Tripura cannot be concentrated only within the Tripura. Tripura issue will be raised in Delhi, Mumbai, everywhere. Thank you.
All right, that was Mamata Banerjee there addressing the media, saying that we'll be meeting the MPs in Delhi. They've, in fact, and talking about contempt of Supreme Court order, and the Tripura CM is himself defying the order. Those are the details here at this point in time. Mamata Banerjee there saying that she's going to Delhi today. This is 3 days ahead of the Tripura polls, remember, and she is going to be traveling to Delhi. This is with respect to the violence that has marred Tripura. Let's in fact go across to Tamal.
Who have launched the dharna outside North Block, she would be going to meet them. She says she will not take part in the dharna, but to show solidarity with the protest which has been launched by the Trinamool Congress MPs, Mamata Banerjee from New Delhi airport will be straight going to North Block, which means it's a massive development, which means there could be a showdown, as Trinamool Congress Supremo clearly says that the fight of Tripura will not stay restricted in Tripura. It would be echoing everywhere, and in Delhi, it would be she taking it closer to North Block.
All right, well, that was the latest there coming in. This is the political war that is escalating now. This is 3 days ahead of the Tripura polls at this point in time. On that note, we'll slip into a quick break. Be back with more.